Number 4, can you prevent gearbox noise? It's impossible to eliminate all gearbox noise because it's impossible to cut perfect gears. Even if one could, it's impossible to limit the effect of system dynamics. One can only minimize and control gearbox noise to the extent that it won't be considered problematic or audible. Number 3, how do you reduce gearbox and electric motor noise? To solve gearbox and electric motor noise problems, the first step is to determine the type of noise that is objectionable. What's considered gear noise depends on the speed of rotation. Use qualitative and quantitative terms to describe how design factors and manufacturing mistakes play into the noise equation. Then discuss with the design team and potential suppliers the problems of gear noise, dynamics, measurement, and modeling. Number 2, what is gearbox noise? Gear noise is generated by tooth-to-tooth load transfer that causes pressure pulse trains radiating through the gear set and motor housing. The noise's frequency is the product of gear rotational speed and the number of gear teeth. Most types of gear noise occur at tooth mesh frequency or harmonics in the audible range. Gearbox noise can be very annoying, even when it isn't the most significant noise source. That's because it occurs as pure tones that the human ear can detect even at 10 dB lower than the overall noise level. And the number 1 top 10 gearbox and electric motor noise question is, how do you diagnose a noisy gearbox and electric motor? To minimize noise, all gearbox and electric motor components should be optimally tuned to each other. 3 types of gear tooth transmission errors are spacing errors, random errors, and elastic deformations, which combine with mean profile deviations. Gear resonance can be reduced by identifying excitation mechanisms using finite element analysis to determine the natural frequencies of individual gears, eliminating torsional modes from operating range, detuning and damping helical and bevel gears, and identifying remaining resonance problems with other elements of the gear motor such as the housing and electric motor. Thank you for watching our video. You can contact us at 394 Ward's Corner Road, Suite 110, Loveland, Ohio, 45140. Give us a call at 513-576-1300 or email Gabriel Venzen, President of ABM Drives, ABM Griffenberger U.S. subsidiary, at gabriel.venzen, you spell that V-E-N-Z-I-N, at abm-drives.com. Thank you for your kind attention.